All right, got a Whirlpool washer, and right now we are on normal wash, and we are on cold. Press start. Very little water is coming in. If you turn it to hot, we're good. All right, cold, hot. Hot is working. So what we're gonna do temporarily, this is only get you by. It's totally safe, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna borrow the cold, put them over here. All right, so here we are. Now, make sure the power is off. And what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be taking the cold and putting it on the hot. Now, all this is doing is transferring power. All right, this is a friend's machine. They don't use hot water, so everything is good. So now what you would do, you would take the cold water and you'd put it here. Simple fix. So now you're getting cold water through the hot section of the valve, but now the valve is actually talking to the computer, so the computer doesn't know that the wires are switched. All right, so now we're going to go back in and we're going to turn on cold, which is over here, and we should get regular cold water. I didn't show how to access this. All you do, get a putty knife, you go under, you're going to push and as you push, you tip it. That's it. All right, guys, so we're still on cold. Okay. Now we're going to press start. Now the hot is working, but it wasn't working before. It's switched down. Well, the switch went. All right, guys, here you have it. Another no parts repair, and your washer is up and running. Now the red, which is the hot, is going to be working like the cold, and all is well. All right, thanks for watching.